Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the inspection due warning on an Audi A3. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm sitting inside my Audi A3, and the thing about this car is that you do get an inspection due warning, which is kind of more of your like 30,000, 40,000 mile service warning. And that's actually not something that you can just reset in the car itself. And it can be really annoying because every time you turn on the car, you're going to get this inspection due. So in a lot of cars, they have a little hack, press this button, hold this button, and it'll reset. But in this car, you actually need a tool to do that. But I found this. It's called OBDeleven, and it's a little Bluetooth OBD connector that will plug into an Audi and VW, and then when you download the app, you can actually reset these lights. So let's see if it works in this car, and let's see if it gets rid of my inspection due light. So this is the little connector that you get here. It's pretty small, it's very light. It actually comes with a little lanyard that you can thread through there. So if you want to hang it up, I'll probably just leave it in the car so that I know where it is when I need it. But you are going to go ahead and plug that into your OBD port, which is right down here. It looks like it's pink, bright Autoflex pink. I'm going to plug that in there, and we get this little Cylon red glowing light. And what I want to do is start it with the power on, but not start the engine. So I'm going to leave my foot off the brake pedal and just hit the power button, and that is going to fire everything up here, and we will get that inspection due warning one more time. Now let's fire up the app. So open the OBDeleven app here and hit connect, and I have to sign up. Now you log in and then hit connect, and let's see if it finds my device here. All right, looks like it showed up, so I'm just going to tap connect here and update the firmware. All right, so it found it and connected. Now, because I bought this legitimately and I just set up an account, I think you get this 100 bonus credits, which I'm going to add. Because to do things in the app, you actually have to spend these bonus credits. Now, I think you can buy more of them, so if you're going to do a lot of work on the Audis or VWs, then it's probably going to be worth it. But for me, hopefully I just have to reset this inspection due light every once in a while, and it is reading control units here. It looks like it's showing an Audi A3, which is pretty cool. So then down here on the vehicle screen, I can go to apps, and then I'm going to tap on workshop up at the top, and then if I go down here to the very bottom, it says inspection service reset. Looks like I have the credits I need. So I'm going to hit change value, reset, and activate. Inspection service reset done. So cool. Now I'm going to disconnect it. All right, so put foot on the brake. I'm going to start the car up from cold here, all the way from the stop, and then I'm going to see if I get that inspection light back on. Passenger airbag is off, which is good. Everything's coming back up here. Look at that. No inspection due light anymore. So that was pretty easy. All you really need is this OBDeleven starter pack, and then you can do it from your car. It didn't cost me anything with those free credits. So hey, if you want to pick up this OBDeleven Bluetooth OBD connector to reset the inspection light on your Audi or VW, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.